Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for your landscaping business. We will begin by setting up your company file, which is crucial for accurate financial tracking. You will learn to customize your chart of accounts to reflect common landscaping services and expenses. Integrating your bank and credit card accounts will streamline data entry, saving you valuable time each week. Finally, we will cover creating detailed customer profiles and service item lists to manage your projects effectively. Now, let's dive into managing your income and expenses. You will learn to create and send professional invoices to your clients for services like lawn care or tree removal. It is vital to track every business expense, from purchasing new equipment to fuel costs, ensuring nothing is missed. Properly categorizing these transactions will simplify tax time significantly. Remember to reconcile your bank accounts monthly. This practice helps maintain accurate financial records and catches any discrepancies quickly. Next, we will explore managing payroll and understanding job costs. QuickBooks allows you to process employee payroll efficiently, ensuring your team is paid correctly and on schedule. You can track labor costs directly to specific landscaping jobs, providing a clear picture of project expenses. Monitoring material expenses per project is also simple, helping you understand profitability for each service. Generating job costing reports will give you valuable insights into which services are most profitable, guiding your business decisions. Finally, let's look at how reporting can drive your business growth. You can generate comprehensive profit and loss statements to assess your financial performance over any period. Reviewing balance sheets provides a clear snapshot of your company's assets, liabilities, and equity. Utilizing sales reports helps identify your most popular and profitable landscaping services, allowing you to focus your efforts. With custom reports, you can forecast future revenue and expenses, making informed strategic decisions for sustainable growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.